According to Albert Mehrabian, a psychologist at the University of California, Los Angeles, 93% of communication is nonverbal and 7% verbal. 38% of communication is impacted by tone of voice and 55% by body languages and facial expression. And from there, we started imagining being able to step into a digital immersive world using holoconference. This is HoloMIT. HoloMIT is the first leap into holographic conferencing for the general public, offering a groundbreaking infrastructure that delivers stunning 3D holograms from standard commercial cameras. Featuring a sophisticated software client as a virtual meeting room, the service seamlessly captures, compress, transmit, and orchestrate session. And as you can observe, I'm immersed into a virtual environment. And this is thanks to the 3D Gaussian Splatting. 3D Gaussian Splatting is a rasterization technique that allows you to render the 3D scene in real time using images from different viewpoints. The 3D scene has millions of particles, called Gaussian, with a position, orientation, scale, opacity, and color. To render these particles, they are converted into 2D space and then organized for efficient rendering. But how did I get holoported here? So, this can be achieved with our setup. We use 4 cameras, implementing our own calibration, reconstruction, system based on RGBD, which is red, green, and blue, and depth. 2 cameras are recording from my frontal viewpoint, and 2 cameras are recording from my back viewpoint. All of those cameras are running at 50 frames per second with hundreds of thousands of points. The good thing is that all these cameras are low-cost volumetric cameras, and they can be very accessible, therefore around 500 or 600 euro. But what can be done and what can we do with HoloMIT? Thanks to HoloMIT and its SDK, we can reconstruct as many experiences as we wish, using 3D models as a scenario, or, as you can see in this video, using Gaussian Splatting scenario. Our SDK is ready to be integrated in Unity and can be used in different scenarios for multiple use cases, such as healthcare, education, cultural heritage, sales, and many more. Whatever the 3D model is providing, we're ensuring a smooth communication with up to 8 users for the moment in the same environment. This is HoloMIT.